CBSE Mathematics, Class 9, Triangles, Introduction. In this chapter, Triangles, we deal with some introduction concepts, congruence of triangles and criteria for congruence of triangles. Triangles, Introduction. A closed figure formed by three intersecting lines is called a triangle. Tri means three. Thus, a triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertices. AB, BC, CA are three sides. Angle A, angle B, angle C are three angles. A, B, C are three vertices. Points are considered as vertices. If two triangles are of same size and if they are identical, then it is called congruent triangles or congruent figures. Thus, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. If two squares are of same size and if they are identical, then it is called congruent squares or congruent figures. Thus, square ABCD congruent to square PQRS. If two circles are of same size and if they are identical, then it is called congruent circles or congruent figures. Thus, circle 1 congruent to circle 2. Congruent shapes in real life. Eye stray, refills of your pen. Next, criteria for congruence of triangles. In this, we deal with SAS congruence rule and ASA congruence rule. SAS congruence rule states that two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. ASA congruence rule states that two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of the triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of other triangle. Thank you. Hope this is clear for you.